Rolling Hills, California, a picturesque city nestled on the Palos Verdes Peninsula, boasts a rich history intertwined with the development of Southern California. Let's delve into its past, exploring its origins, growth, and the factors that shaped its unique character. Early days, Rancho San Pedro and the Palos Verdes Project. The land that would become Rolling Hills was once part of Rancho San Pedro, a vast Spanish land grant dating back to 1784. This fertile land was primarily used for agriculture and cattle ranching. In the early 20th century, a group of visionaries, led by Frank Vanderlip, envisioned transforming the Palos Verdes Peninsula into a model community. Their ambitious Palos Verdes project aimed to create a harmonious blend of residential, commercial, and agricultural areas, preserving the natural beauty of the region. The birth of Rolling Hills, a planned community. The Palos Verdes project's master plan included the area that would eventually become Rolling Hills. The developers envisioned a community that would maintain a rural atmosphere, with ample open spaces and equestrian trails. This vision would significantly influence the city's development. Incorporation and early growth. 1957, Rolling Hills officially incorporated as a city, embracing its rural character and commitment to preserving open spaces. Early development, the city experienced gradual growth, with residents drawn to its tranquil setting and equestrian lifestyle. The construction of single-family homes on large lots became a hallmark of the community. Shaping the city's identity, equestrian lifestyle and open spaces. Rolling Hills' commitment to its rural roots is evident in its extensive network of equestrian trails, making it a haven for horse lovers. The city's dedication to preserving open spaces has also played a crucial role in shaping its identity. Key factors contributing to Rolling Hills' unique character. Equestrian lifestyle. Rolling Hills' emphasis on horseback riding has fostered a strong sense of community among residents who share this passion. Open spaces. The city's commitment to preserving open spaces has not only enhanced its natural beauty but has also contributed to its tranquil atmosphere. Gated community. Rolling Hills' status as a gated community has provided a sense of security and exclusivity for its residents. Architectural style. The predominance of single-family homes on large lots, often featuring Spanish colonial revival or ranch-style architecture, contributes to the city's distinctive aesthetic. A glimpse into the future. As Rolling Hills continues to evolve, it faces challenges such as preserving its rural character amidst development pressures and adapting to the changing needs of its residents. However, the city's commitment to its core values, open spaces, equestrian lifestyle, and a strong sense of community, will undoubtedly guide its future.